Stop. I ask one question. Do you love junk food?
No, I love healthy food.
Do you love junk food?
No, I am healthy foods.
Vaibhav, do you love junk food?
No, I am healthy food junk.
I am healthy foods क्यों बोलो? I love healthy food.
I love healthy foods.
Do you love junk food?
Yes, I love healthy food.
Yes, Amrita. Healthy foods like?
Yes, mango, fruits and milk.
Do you love pomegranate?
Yes, I like pomegranate.
Yeah, Vaibhav, do you love banana?
Yes.
Yes. AVISIKTA, do you love oranges?
Yes.
Grapes?
Yes.
Do you love momo?
No.
Do you love burger?
No.
Do you love pizza?
No.
Egg roll?
No.
Chowmein?
No.
But healthy
Healthy food.
Hi Mayesha, how are you?
I am fine.
Do you love junk food?
No, I like healthy food.
3.
Foods are healthy for our health. Bolbo. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over the field we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Over fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Hello! Healthy food.
Do you love junk food?
No, I am healthy foods.
No, I am healthy foods.